Okay, this is Perpetual Income 365. This is a business system. Okay, and this is the main dashboard here. And what you get with this is quite comprehensive, you know. And this is how he, this is his training here. And he goes about the Netflix. He's got on, and the MCC comes into play, which is to do with the software which runs this thing, and here's the thing, this is like, this is the members area, and this is well, how large streaming companies, they use MCCA model comes into play. So I'll play that just for you, so you know. Right, here we go. Here it is. This is an 8-minute video, as it says there.
Hey guys, it's Sean Josiah here. Today in this video, I just want to share with you how the Netflix MCCA model comes into play when it comes to Perpetual Income 365. As we all know, this model is actually taken upon the science of Netflix, of how Netflix actually makes their monthly income. So what we did was to break down their business model and to implement it into this affiliate system. Okay, so right now I'm just going to dive straight into how the MCCA model works with us. All right. So first and foremost, what is MCCA? Right. So MCCA stands for micro commitment, consistency, compounding algorithm. Okay. So after diving in to study the business model of Netflix, we realized that yes, it came down to 3 of these big elements. Number 1 is micro commitment. Number 2 is consistency, and number 3 is compounding. Okay, so what are they? We're going to go into them later in the slides. All right, so before I go into how these 3 elements come into play, I just want to go through with you again how perpetual income basically works as an overview. All right, so here's an overview of perpetual income 365. First of all, understand that the autoresponder has already been integrated. So the moment you sign up, after watching the welcome video, after watching this video, the next step is to register for autoresponder. In this case, is get response, and you integrate that autoresponder into the system. Okay, so that's number 1. Next is to integrate Clickbank. Okay, so Clickbank is also automatically integrated the moment you get a Clickbank ID and put it into the system. Now, what happens is this, everything is built in one, and your very next step is basically to select one of the 7 if you are upgraded, or one of the 2 landing pages that are already created for you. And the landing page, we call them the money pages. Okay, so instead of buying the entire 3 different parts of internet marketing, the autoresponder, having Clickbank work separately, and also having your own website builder, which costs a lot of money, we have integrated all in one, right? So you can basically select a pre-designed landing page, and once you have selected that, all you got to do is to activate that page, and that page will automatically be installed together with your email autoresponder and Clickbank. Okay, so everything is done for you right here. Okay, now what happens next is, after you send.
So as you can see, this is really, this is what most marketers do, right? And this guy is selling it, as a done-for-you system, right? For his affiliate program, right? And that saves you quite a bit of money. And I can atone for that too. I can tell you, when you don't have to build a opt-in page. There's no opt-in page for you to build. And his opt-in pages come from ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is $98 a month. So that's one. You don't have to pay that for a start. Yeah, right. You have to pay for an autoresponder. That's something that, because building an email list is important if you want to do an online business, you have to build an email list. It's just it goes without saying, because the email list is where the money is. You know, the list is the money's in the list. That's what's said, and it's the truth. And usually it's $1 per registration or per email. So that's what it usually is, the average. So very important, okay? And the next part of it is driving traffic. Well, this guy recommends you use solo ads. Well, I think that's why I showed you another method there, using free traffic. But the thing is, to just master one is what I've also found out. So master one. But might be doing another. I'll be doing another video about another traffic system I found, which I'm going to master myself. Because why? Because it's free, and there's 1.5 billion users. So I mean, it's a huge market. So, and it's free. I don't have to pay Google, Facebook, or YouTube, or or anybody else. Or Instagram, or whatever. Instagram, or say, or whatever other advertising platforms out there, Microsoft. So, and this is really an all-in-one and done-for-you system. It's a business system, and all you've got to do is drive traffic to your money pages, which is what he said. Your opt-in list. But with that, you've got to have I guess you can use yeah, they also have a tracking tool in this. Yeah, they do. So yeah, and see, this is how this is. You got you can see what it is here, but I understand how this works. And most people, well, this is I think it's the cheapest business system I've ever seen. For anybody starting, it's ideal. You can learn, and this guy's got a lot of training. So, I mean, here's his introductory video. Maybe I can just play that for you. Shows you, see how perpetual income works, and how it makes money in a few steps, and the refund policy. How to join the Facebook community. Yeah, and well, we can go there, I guess. Yeah, let's just go there. Let's see what that's like, eh? Where is it? There it is. And this guy does training as well, so you can get training here. So yeah, video training. And there's people in here all the time, so it's quite active. See, 2 days, 1 day. So people in there asking questions. Yeah, that's the Facebook group, okay? Yeah, and this is the video that's introducing it, so I'll click on that, and we'll have a listen to that for about a minute or two. Yeah.
Hey, you who has just joined the Perpetual Income family, welcome to Perpetual Income 365. My name is Sean Josiah, and I'm the founder of Perpetual Income 365. And in this video, I just want to do a quick introduction of what Perpetual Income 365 is all about, and how I've been using this exact process to generate myself $100,000 in commissions alone per month. Okay, at the time of filming this video, this is one of my Clickbank accounts that you see here live. All right, so here you can see that I'm generating an average of at least $1,000 per day, right? And here you see that I'm generating at least about $20,000 per week. Okay, and this is one of my Clickbank accounts. Okay, next I'm going to show you my other Clickbank account over here. Okay, here you can see that I'm generating an average of about $500 per day and about $4,000 per week. If you were to add up both my income on Clickbank alone, all right, that's equivalent to about $100,000 per month. Now, I'm saying this to you because I want you to know that right here in this arsenal, in Clickbank, in Perpetual Income 365 lies the exact tools that you need to build an income like this. Okay, because this is exactly what I've been doing, right? I just want to go through with you what you are getting in Perpetual Income 365 and also to let you know that it's a powerful software that's allowed many to generate a result that is life-changing, including some of my students, okay? Yeah, just let me hop on over here to show you the community page that we have. See, it's always active, so I've got pop-ups here and there. So this is the community page that we have, right? And here you can see, students' results, coming in. Like you see, for example, $183 here. People making $400 here in a week.
So there you go. There it is. And this is a business system, okay? Now, a quick disclaimer: you're not going to make it overnight. It's not like you like a job, all right? Okay, that's just a quick disclaimer. And results are not typical because that's just how it is. Because most people don't get off their ass and they don't do anything. That's what most people do. Well, there's no excuse because you see you've got a free traffic system, and I'm probably going to make another video of another system that I will introduce you to. But what you've got to do here, right, is you've got to understand you have this system here, a full business system, internet marketing system here, right? Full blown internet. And the thing about this one is it will, once you get your get response account, right, which is easy to set up, okay, you go to your get response and set up a get response account. I will be doing a video about that too, so how to set up a get response account. So yeah, it's not that hard. You get 1 month free with get response. So you got a and then and the basic um, fee for get response is $15 a month. See, so and this is to start this is $9. It's just nothing. Yeah, you're going to start a business for $9, and then if you get import, well, you're going to start a traffic system for $2. And then there's another one I will show you, but you've got to remember, you've got to make a decision on which traffic system you're going to use, because it's only best to decide on one traffic system and become an expert at that one traffic system. And my advice to you is to go with the free one, because that way you're not going to be in the hole and you're not going to burn through your credit card, okay? With these two systems that and maybe this third one, that's all I'm going to recommend. That's it, because you only need one traffic system, and it's probably going to be the new one that I'll do a video about that you should probably do. And then you've got to become an expert at that. And once you do that, well, you're going to make this thing fly. That's what you're going to do, because you're going to drive traffic to your opt-in pages. You're going to build an email list, and once you've got your get response account right, this system automatically pairs a 30-day set of follow-up emails that it sends to the people that sign up. So that's what you get with this, and that's automatically loaded into your get response account with your Clickbank links already in it. See, so but they're cloaked, of course, because that's how it is. It's got a cloaking device, and it's also got a tracking device as well. So I can go through it. $98 for ClickFunnels just to build to edit pages, right? Or you can go WordPress, but that's the same. You're going to pay $5. It doesn't matter where you go, but you're going to pay extra for the page builder, which you'll find out when you purchase Empire, which is $2, right? You'll find out this, you know, because that's what I'm with ClickFunnels, right? So that's what I'm paying. I'm paying $98, and then get response $15, right? And then there's I've got a tracker called oh, what's it called? Yeah, I've got a tracker, you know, which I use, which is I've done a review on it. Oh, here it is here. This is the tracker I use, you know. So, you know, it's yeah, this is the one I use. These are all my links, you see. This is a tracking system, and it tracks all these all my results, so I know exactly how many clicks I've got, uniques, not uniques, and I only use one domain name, because you've got to get a domain name, one domain name. You see, that's what I use on this. This is yeah, this is build redirects. Build redirects. That's what this is, and that's something I use as well. You know, to track everything, and I only use one domain name, which you just got to have. That's just the way it is. You see. Yeah. So with that, since I can't find the page now because I've gone and lost it, so because I've got too many pages open. So oh, there it is. So with that, I'd say, you know, this is a really good deal. I mean, this guy has just done a lot of work. He's using software. It's just is as close as you can get to a one push button success system that I've ever seen. You know, you're not going to see anything else like this anywhere. You know, if you want to get something, you know, it's going to cost you thousands of dollars. You know, like I told you, you know, I pay for the build redirects. I pay $17 a month for that, and then I pay the because this is a continuity program. So I pay the monthly payment for it, but it's worth it because I understand what the principles of wealth are. And probably you people don't, you see, and all you're trying to do is save your money. Well, money is, you know, you don't understand. You know, it's, you know, you need a system. You know, you've got to, you know, you go to my Facebook page, which I'll probably give you a link to, and you'll find out what how the wealthy work, because I've got 2 videos on there about on 2 million billionaires, you know, and they'll tell you. And one guy, I mean, one guy, which is Dan Pena, he doesn't mince words. He tells you straight. He's a straight shooter. He don't muck around. So you know, yeah. So you get the truth, and you know what you're getting. Okay. So this is an excellent system. It's really good. You know. See, you got your traffic crusher. You got your money pages. See, your money pages. See. So you can create your perpetual assets multiplier, which I haven't got. See, upgrade to that. So you know, you can go through this and you can get the upgrades if you want. I mean, the funnel, you know, I mean, it's just, yeah. See, you know, this guy has built everything. All his funnels come. He's at ClickFunnels. This is a ClickFunnels guy as well. That's what he does. All this is built in ClickFunnels. So it's a good system. It's the best I've seen on Clickbank. I don't see anything better. There is other things, but anyway, I shall call that quits. I call it quits now, and I'll say, you know, if you like this video, press the like button. If you want to get more, then press the notification button, bell, and if you like this content, then subscribe to the channel. Anyway, with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.